This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Christine Rank. You'll fall in love with this charming updated 1.5-story farmhouse on a 5-acre country lot. As you walk in, you will be greeted with old-world charm mixed with new. The main floor mud/laundry room has an office area and storage. The kitchen has been tastefully updated and boasts stainless steel appliances, newer cabinets, quartz countertops and the original built-in hutch in the hall. Main floor bedroom and updated ceramic tiled bath, large upper bedroom and loft area. Outside living is amazing with French doors to newer deck. The storage capabilities are endless 30 by 48 garage west/3 to 10 feet doors, barn and outbuildings. This property offers loads of opportunity, hobby farm, workshop, or just the perfect place to call home. New septic, blacktop and cement driveway. Too much more to list. Must see. For more information.